your Delta flight was serviced to Fresno. My name is Jenny, and in the front we have Diana. Our Salt Lake City-based flight crew is happy to have you on board. Nothing is more important to Delta and our partners than the safety of our customers and crew, which is why we've set a new standard of cleanliness, including sanitizing our aircraft with high-grade disinfectant, wiping down of all high-touch surfaces prior to boarding, and advanced air filtration systems. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the front of the aircraft for a brief demonstration of the safety features of this CRJ700 aircraft. You'll notice we're wearing our masks to ensure we're all protected. We appreciate you wearing yours as well throughout the entire flight. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap so it is low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelts fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulation requires all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, one on each side, and 2 overwing exits. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you, keeping in mind it may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, a panel above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. If you're wearing a mask or face covering, remove it, lock it. Your safety and well-being are always our top priority here at Delta Airlines. Here are a few reminders to help keep yourself and others healthy. Wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your mouth, eyes, and nose, and cover with a tissue when you're coughing or sneezing. Also, feel free to use the air sickness bags located in the seat back pocket in front of you to dispose of any trash items. Thank you for your attention. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing 1 hour and 12-minute flight to Fresno. Again, flight time is 1 hour and 12 minutes. Thank you and welcome aboard.